With the same BOM and the same Gerber files, 3 PCBA factories quote prices that differ by nearly 2. Is the cheapest one really just more efficient? Or is it actually a low price trap? In today's video, we'll show you 5 ways to identify whether a PCBA factory is using low prices as bait. Part 1. Prices far below the industry average. If a factory's quote is far below the market average, you need to ask yourself one question. Where exactly are they cutting costs? The cost of PCBA typically includes component sourcing, SMT assembly, DIP insertion, LI inspection, X-ray inspection, manual inspection, rework cost, management and overhead costs. If the price is too low, it usually means cutting corners, skipping testing, using refurbished or non-original parts, using low standard soldering processes. Ultra-low prices always come with a reason. Part 2. Vague quotes with no cost breakdown. A truly professional PCBA factory always provides transparent pricing, such as SMT assembly cost, dip insertion cost, stencil cost, testing cost, fixture cost, engineering cost. If they only give you a lump sum price, and avoid details when you ask questions, that's a red flag. Because later you'll probably hear, that's not included. That requires extra cost. There's an issue with your design, you need to pay more. The low price is just the first step. Part 3. Lack of complete testing capability. Many low-price factories follow the same pattern. They only assemble the board but don't verify it. You can ask them directly. Do you have flying probe testing? Do you support ICT? Do you provide functional testing? Is testing done on 100% of the boards? If the answers are vague or they only do sampling tests, the risk is being pushed onto you. Part 4. Unrealistically fast lead times. Here's something to think about. Why would a factory with normal production planning always have spare capacity? If they say, order today, ship tomorrow, you should ask, are they constantly pushing rush orders? Do they lack stable long-term customers? Or do they simply lack standardized processes? A stable factory may not be the fastest, but it is reliable. Part 5. Unclear after-sales terms. Real quality commitment includes: how long is the warranty? How is the defect rate defined? How are batch issues handled or compensated? Do they support root cause analysis? Low-price factories usually delay after-sales support, avoid responsibility, offer rework only, no compensation. In the end, the money you save turns into rework cost. Cheap PCBA may save cost. Stable PCBA protects your brand. A truly reliable PCBA factory is rarely the cheapest, but it will always offer transparent pricing, complete testing, standardized processes, stable delivery. Do you care more about price or stable quality? Let's talk in the comments.